Hello guys, this is Syedmukarram. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Little Science for Everyone. Let's get started with today's session regarding adding labels and formatting in Tableau. So let's get started with the things. So let's go representative with the data what we have for the sales for office supplies and with total number of unit sales. This is how the data looks like, or if you don't want this, just you need to remove, or if you want the unit per unit, then this is what actually graph looks like. So let's see and add the regions. So we are adding the regions. It should be way at top first one. So complete data, we got it. So in terms of just single unit sales, so we could see Richard is the most top in the east, and in the central we could see Alex, and in the west we can see James in terms of single unit sales data. So now because in Tableau we could see if we are we don't need to check this all like particularly with each and every chart diagram bars that we need to look at around, and then we are getting the data like in the region Alex has 281 sales and Bill has 213, and in future that if you have n number of bar graphs, then it will be difficult, or any graph it will be difficult to look around and explain the things step by step by just clicking on one things and getting the data. So this is not what happened in Tableau, or this is what is not required in Tableau. So Tableau gives in deeper detail of each and every thing or data. That's why we have labeling session over here. This is label. So if you want the data to be like, see, let's make later data a little bit colorful. Let's make it by representative, like every representative should have what we covered in the next previous session regarding coloring. Just make this to be colorful. Make sure you click exactly, and then you click on this. Yes, so got error because it got merged, so you need to be careful regarding this. For undoing we need to do Control Z. So regarding this you need to be particular about holding the control key and the plus sign and then releasing it into the color. So we got the colors of representative in different format. So different representative have different colors, but let's see how we can do labeling in Tableau. So coming towards that, if you want the label like label on by representative, we have the representative Alex and so on, but still if you want on the bar graph, so we need to just click on representative and we need to click hold on key because it's very important, control key. If you don't, then it will you can lose the data. So hold on control key and then release into the label. So we can see up at the top, you can see Alex name has been labeled over here on the by and the bar. So Bill has been given, and rest of all till Thomas, all representative got the label data. So now if you want the regions to be labeled, so we can do this so simple as that. Same, we need to go on and hold the key of control key, and then we need to put same in the label section. So we can see the data. Central data, it has been labeled central, and then east data has been labeled east, and the west has been labeled as west. And if you want how much this, like we don't need to look all around the particular bar, and then we don't need to see how much Alex has been sold per unit, and then Bill and so on, how much Richard. So we don't need to do this too. Then we need to go to in-depth details. So we need to go to some of unit sale by the representative, and then we need to click the same into the label section and see how beautiful we got the data over here. So on every label is being represented, or every label has been done with like Alex name of the person representative and the central region central, and with number of sales what he has done previously is 281, then Bill and so on. For every representative we have labeled the data according to their regions, according to with their names, and according to with their sets. This is what the basic regarding labeling section. So how we can beautifully label the data accordingly, what according to the things, what they have sales or regions and so on, with the according to different parameters. Come towards the formatting, we have different type of formatting, and we can do different type of things. Along with formatting, we can go over here, have different formatting for the measurements of some. Then we can go to the format cell. We can do over here automatic, or else we have like this will not work over here, so we need to just click on let's see on the sizing, coloring or sizing. So things are not moving over here, we need to click over here. So let's go to the data, particular data, and let's show the formatting, and then let's see what we have now. See how the data is being getting changed. If I click the font size for 12 and for 15, see how the fonts are getting bigger. So we need to put just 9 over here, don't need to push all over there. So just we can do bold too, and we need to again click on the data, and then we need to go to the formatting, right click and go to the formatting cell. Then the type of data, what do you want? If you want the bold one, so if you're getting the bold or unbold, we can do unbold over here. So if you want italic, it will be going to italic over here. We could see that it is moved to italic, and if you don't want the italic one, then see it is a normal one. Underline, we get the underline to the type, represent each and every representative, and to the region and each and every units and so on. And if you don't want that too, then we need to move on the header session. So the header, we can create a big one with 15, 12, see how it is getting big, the header one. And if we need to put normal, then we can go back, and so on. The title label is 15, so want more or less, we can do that. If you want bold, then we can do that. See how title is getting changed, 27, then title sheet 1 get changed. If you want to do title change over here, we need to just change the workbook name. So we will be renaming it for like adding filters, and then this is for labels and filters. So I will be doing that, how it will be changed. Filters, labeling, formatting, this is not for filtering. So let's see how it will be. See guys, it got changed. So we need to if you want to give the name of this particular data of what we are doing this sheet, then we need to change the complete title. So we need to change the title of the sheet, that's it. So see, it's a different thing how we can do top left or title or different pane or total pane. So these are the different data what we can do in label, and we can do formatting in the Tableau. And if you go on the x-axis too, we can go into the formatting session again, and we can do this too. See, we can do the change the direction too. See how it's changing the direction. See, this is normal automatic, and this is like down it how it got vertical, and then over here from the left one. This is how we can change the data according to the different pattern of formatting. The font size you can increase from big to small and so on. Then I have shown you this too, and so on. The labeling and customing, alignment, so on, font size, coloring, each and everything we can do, and we can label and format accordingly based on the requirement. So that's it for the session guys. If you need the copy of this worksheet of the Tableau session, I will be giving you in the description link from the GitHub link. Thank you. Have a great day. If you have any queries, you can comment in the comment box regarding this. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.